In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, tap on any password that you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Then hit Continue at the bottom right corner. Select this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!